Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can customize the single product page in any WooCommerce website using a free plugin. So we are going to install a free plugin and we are going to customize the single product page of the WooCommerce website. On this website, I'm using the Spectra plugin and the Spectra 1 theme. I can customize the single product page using the Spectra 1 theme. However, if you are not using any premium plugin and if you want to customize the single product page, then you can definitely use this free plugin to customize the single product page. So let's see how we can customize the single product page using the free plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website and we are using WooCommerce on this website. On this website, I'm using Spectra 1 theme and I'm also using Spectra and Spectra Pro plugin. So let's start with the installation of the free plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new. The name of the plugin is ProductX. And this is the plugin that I'm going to install, ProductX, WooCommerce Builder and Gutenberg WooCommerce blocks. So it is going to use the Gutenberg WooCommerce blocks to customize the layout. So let's start with the installation. Click on install now. Click on activate. Now it does have the pro version, so we are not going to use the pro version. So let's go to settings. Here you will see the option WooCommerce Builder. Let's click on WooCommerce Builder. And here in the left hand side, you will see single product page. So first we will work on the single product page. Click on single product. And you will see this is the sample layout for the pro version. So we are going to start from the scratch. Click on start from scratch. Now let me show you the current layout of this single product page. We have the title, some description, how many products in stock, add to cart. This is the category, this is the breadcrumb, the featured image, and we have gallery images. Below that we have description, reviews, and we have related products. See, this layout is created using the Spectra 1 theme. Let's go back, and this is the single product template. You can, from here you can choose the blocks. So click on the plus sign and we are going to use columns. Let's use 2 columns. In the first column we are going to use the image, product image. So let's search for WooCommerce. You can search for Woo, or you can go here and from here click on the plus sign and search for Woo products, WooCommerce, and you will see all the blocks which are related to WooCommerce. Search for product image and you will see the option here, product image. Let's click on it, drag it and drop it here. So it will show the product image and you will see the gallery is also added. This is just the sample one. Now in this area I want product title. Click on the plus sign here and search for product title and you will see product title here. Just click on it, drag it and drop it here. And this is the sample product title. From here you can customize the title, you can change the settings, you can change the color also. So I'm going to change the color from here. In this one we have red, so I'm going to change it to, let's say, green. So you can change the color according to the layout or the color combination of your website. So this is the color. If I click on it, you will see other options for this one's product view. You can select one of your products so that you can preview how does this look. So I'm going to select this one, yellow t-shirt, and it will show the yellow t-shirt. If I click on it and here I can select yellow t-shirt and it will show that product. So we have that product here, so you can use that for the preview. So this is the title. Below that I want product description. So let's search for product description. Or we have 2 different options here, short description and product description. So if I go to any one of these products, you will see this is the long description and this is the short description. So let's go to short description, drag it and drop it below this one. All right, now use the same product preview, change the color. So I'm going to change it to this one. If you want to center align, you can center align or left align. If I go to typography, I can change the font size. I can also change the font family, weight, spacing. So all the customizations are available here. Let's go to advanced, and under advanced you will see the ID, margin, padding, spacing. If you want to change the background color, you can change the background color just like this. So I'm not going to use it. So these are the customizations for these blocks. All right, now below that I want to add, let's say I want to add the price of the product. So let's search for product price. Well, whatever you see in this orange color are the blocks from this particular ProductX plugin. And you see these blocks which are in black. These are the default WooCommerce blocks. So we are going to use these blocks, the orange one. Click on it, drag it and drop it just below this one. And let's change the size from here. Let's add 36. Okay, this one looks good. And you can change the font also. Sale price color, you can, from here you can change the sales price color. Let's use blue one. Space between these two. It is very easy to customize it. These are the label. Price will be the label. And discount badge. If you want to show the discount badge, you can show the discount badge. If I enable it, you will see automatically added 20% discount badge there. If I go to advanced, you will see advanced settings. You can add the padding, spacing, margin, change the background color. Now below that, I want to add the add to cart button there. So search for add to cart. This is the one, product add to cart. Just drag it and drop it below this one. And if you want to change the settings, you can change the settings. Simple product, group product, variable, external, affiliate products. So these are the basic settings of the WooCommerce products. Add to cart is the title. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. Quantity, this is the quantity it is showing here. So you can change the color also. Background color for the quantity. All right, this one looks good. You can customize it according to your requirements. Plus, minus. So you will see the plus minus signs here. You can change the color. This is the button style. You can change the color of the button. So let's change it to red. This is the color of the text, background color. Change it, change the background color. And text color. So this one looks good to me. All right, now just below that, what do we have here? This is the category. So that comes under meta. So let's search for product meta. So I'm going to use it just below this, or we can add it at the top. So you will see all these options here. If you do not want to show all the options, you can simply disable it from here. I do not want tags, so I'm going to remove the tags. Label, so you can see the label here. So right now it does not have any category, so it will show the category if I select the product preview. So it comes under t-shirt category. You can change the color. Let's use the black one, or let's use this one, meta value color. Let's change it to blue. All right, so this one looks good. Now below that, I want, let's say, what do we have here? Go for search for product. We have product short description, title, price, meta, product image, add to cart. We have used this product guide, so that will be for the shop page. We can add product stock, so you can show the how many products are in the stock. So I'll add it just below this one, and it will show in stock or out of stock. All right, now just below this, we are going to add a single column, and in the single column we are going to add, this is what you can say, description. Search for a wrapper, so I'm going to use the wrapper here, and description, let's search for description, and you will see the description here. Let's delete this title. This is the product description. Now if I want to show the reviews, I can use the reviews also. So let's search for product reviews. All right, so it is not going to show the review because we do not have any review here. So I'm going to delete this one. Let's click on publish. Now when you click on publish, it will ask you where do you want to show this template. So I'm going to select include products and all. So it will be applied to all the products. So this new layout will be applied to all the products. Here you will see product categories. If you want to select a particular product category, you can search for the category. So here you can search for, I have, let's say, t-shirt category here. So I can select this one, and this product layout will be applied to the products which are in that particular category. So I'm going to select products, and I'm going to select this one for all the products, and click on save condition. Condition is saved. Let's close it, and now let's refresh this one. Now when I refresh this page, you will see that the new layout is applied for this product. So this is the new layout. Now we still need to customize this layout. This does not look good. So what I can do, I can go to this one, and here I can add some spacer so that there will be some space. And let's go to image, and we need to customize the image also. If I go to image height, I want to restrict that one. This one looks too big. So I can change the height to, let's say, 250 pixel. And what else we can change? This one looks good. All right, let's save this one. Let's update it. Let's refresh it again. So we have got some space at the top, and the image is also small, and you can see the gallery is also working properly. So you will need to play with the settings. All right, so this one still look better than the before. If I click on it, it should open a new window, and you can see the product images, the gallery. Now instead of this, I can also use tabs. So if I click on plus sign and search for tabs, you can see it here, tabs. Click on it, and first tab I wanted description. I will use only 2 tabs. So the first one is description. I can delete this one, and here I can use the product description. You will see it here. So I can delete this one. I can delete the wrapper. Here I can add some space. In the second tab, I can add reviews. So if there are any reviews, it will show the reviews. Let's delete this one and add product reviews. All right, so right now it's not showing the reviews because we do not have reviews. And if you want to add more tabs, you can add more tabs. So I can delete this third tab, and we will use only 2 tabs. Now, if you want to add breadcrumbs at the top, you can add that also. So I'm going to search for breadcrumb product and drag it and drop it just above this one. And you can change the color settings from here. So I can change the color. Let's say use this one. Link color will be blue. Let's update it. And let's refresh the page. And you will see the breadcrumb here. You can also add some spacing after breadcrumb. So I can add some spacer here. Refresh. All right, so this one looks good. So we have got breadcrumb, then we have category, title, the description, the short description, the pricing, discount, add to cart, browse wish list, how many in the stock, and this is the tab. So the tab does not look good, so go to the tabs and select one of the preset here, update it, refresh it. All right, so this may be because of some glitch in the default Gutenberg tabs. So if you do not want tabs, you can remove the tabs and you can use accordion, or you can simply keep it as product description. Now below this, if you want, you can also add related products. So if I go there, if I go below and add some space there, and below space we can have, look for WooCommerce product grid. So I can use product grid 1, and you can see the settings for this product grid 1. How many columns? I can use 3 columns. These are the customizations: show quick view, show compare, and if I click on update, refresh it, and you will see this product grid. You can change the name here, you can make it, and if you want to show only 3 products, you can select that option from here. How many products do you want to show? Number of products, I can change it to 3, and you can have some sorting options here, upsell product or specific products, or you can use a random products or product in the same category. Let's refresh it. So now it will show only 3 products. So this is how you can use this free plugin to customize the single product page in any WooCommerce website. In the upcoming video, I'll show you how to customize the shop page using the same free plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.